practices of restoration forestry follow the pattern of our own woodlands life and growth. They are grounded in the understanding that a forest's primary value is its innumerable ecological benefits. Our forests sustain the life of countless animals, like this eastern chipmunk and this red-bellied snake, providing an abundance of food in all seasons. They make pollen for bees and are home to thousands of migratory birds. In winter, they restore our aquifers and protect our rivers and streams. They clean our air and every season produce seed that will ensure an endless renewal of offspring. Finally, forests provide us with timber, a product so valuable that we've cut our island's forests numerous times, pursuing our own needs above all others. Here is a forest valued for its timber alone. Restoration forestry helps to rebuild a woodland's natural functions. It is labor-intensive and time-consuming. Therefore, begin by looking for what's present. The natural regeneration of red oak seedlings, the shade created by a stand of young birch, or a fallen tree. They are all helping to improve a forest's health without any effort on our part. Next, protect the soil. To do this, manage how much sunlight reaches the forest floor. Both too much light or too little can adversely affect the delicate ecosystem of bacteria, fungi, microorganisms, and organic material upon which the whole forest relies. Also, avoid any unnecessary soil compaction or actions that will lead to erosion. As important as the protection of soil is the restoration of a natural succession. Without interference, our forests would eventually return to having a diverse mix of trees, all at differing stages of life and death. They would be a community of seedlings, saplings, young trees, and mature giants, all working together to produce a resilient ecosystem. This could take hundreds of years to achieve. However, with thoughtful intervention, we can dramatically speed up this process. To do this, plant a diversity of species, improve individual tree health, and ensure that there are dead trees standing and fallen to the forest floor. Last but not least, take steps to improve wildlife habitat. After all, the best foresters are the beetles, birds, and mammals that call our woodlands home. This work can be as simple as creating a brush pile, planting a shrub that will produce winter fruit, or putting up a nest box. It can also be as complex as helping to restore a vital riparian area. Restoration forestry is a profound and beautiful way to experience nature. It encourages us to see our woodlands with humility and wonder, and requires that we grow in understanding and skill to better meet its needs.